Hi, welcome to the .NET Core Blazor series. In the previous video, I will discuss about the Blazor WebAssembly, and in this video, I am going to show you how to create Blazor WebAssembly project. So, as you can see that here is the solution sample, which has two projects, and you can see that here is the sample.blazor servers and sample.blazor web API. So, I have I was created firstly the blank solution, and after that I was created sample.web API. And when API project was completed, then I moved to the sample.blazor server. So solution has provide the facility to we can add a number of projects in the solution. So we can run each project separately. So I have just to right click on the solution and select add here and select new project. So add project templates is in process, so I have to search the web assembly. Blazor WebAssembly app. Here is the two option: Blazor WebAssembly app and Blazor WebAssembly app empty. So I am you can select any language from here and platform and all project types. So I am going to throw with this Blazor WebAssembly app and click on next. I have to follow the previous code structure, naming structure, Blazor, Blazor WebAssembly. As you can see that here my solution name is sample and all the projects are uh, appended by the sample.blazor. So that's why I have added the here is the my solution name, and after that I have mentioned my Blazor WebAssembly project name. So just click on next, and you can select here the framework. Latest is the 7.0, and now I am going to because my project is created in the .NET 6.0, so that's why I'm going to with this .NET 6.0 selection. And it is also configured for the HTTPS and authentication type, which is none, and you can select as your requirements individual and Microsoft identity. I have discussed all of these things in my previous lecture, and if you are new you can watch those lectures to understand this. So I have just click create, and now the project creation is in process. As you can see that here is the sample.blazor WebAssembly project, and it has the root folder which contain the CSS file and sample data .json, which is the, as you can see that in the, if I go to the index, uh, is the index page, which is the which has simply forward slash mean, which means that it has the home page and counter and the fetch. So if I try to run this, first I have to set as the startup project and just run this project. You can see that the Blazor WebAssembly project is created, and is output will be same like the Blazor Blazor server project. So it's taking some time. As you can see that here is the title Blazor WebAssembly and it's loading. So what's going wrong with this? I think everything is okay, but why it's taking time? Now you can see that here is the Blazor server, Blazor WebAssembly projects output. It is the default template when you create Blazor WebAssembly projects or Blazor server. So if I click on the counter, yes, you can click on this. The uh, current count will be increased. So it is the fetch data which is the weather forecast as and this JSON is exists in our system. So Blazor application which is used for the single page application. So these are the today's trendy application developed in the in different technologies. So thanks for watching the video. In the next video, we will start working on the Blazor Web Assembly project and implementations of our APIs, which are created like accounts and products API in our Blazor WebAssembly, just like the Blazor server. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box.